Okay, let's look at what the scan tool says about this. Just have turned the key to the on position, and we're now linking to see what it says. And here's the readings. Looks like misfire. Okay, okay. Summer NA. But code's red. P0122. That's the first time I've had that one, actually. And here we go to the engine history. Shows a P0335. It was, we saw earlier we were getting signal. And then we've got the crankshaft position variation not learned. We need a case relearn on that. Okay, let's back out of here, and we will look at the data stream as we crank, just so you can see what's going on. Okay, you can see the engine speed, RPM down about 7 or 8 down. Let's crank it over, see what happens. And we get no RPM. And we'll go look at some of the other parameters. See if it tells you anything. And these fuel trims all reading 0. Just see if that changes. Which no change there. Ignition volts, my battery's getting down a little bit low, but I don't know that. It should do. Anyway.